Hi, and welcome to the Piper Rose pattern walkthrough. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can edit these patterns to suit your needs, or if you've chosen to use your own icon, how you can use this as a model to create your own pattern easily in Canva. So to start with, we're going to mention that there's two layers here, and the background layer is locked, and the reason why it's locked is because Canva can get a little finicky with having an image over a box, so we are going to unlock that first. And if you've chosen your own colors, you head over here to the color palette and you can put in the hex code here. I'm just going to choose this color for the purpose of this tutorial, and once you're happy with that color, you lock that layer. Now, if you want to change these files, they're actually PNG files with a transparent background, which means that they're not directly editable in Canva. We can't head over here and change the color, so we're going to do a little workaround. And the easiest way that we found to do this is to go to Effects and use the Color Mix tool. And this actually has a few ready-made colors for us, so I'm going to choose this Arctic color because it's the blue that I'm looking for, and then I'm going to hit Apply, and I'm going to wait for this to load. It's being a little bit glitchy right now. Okay, and once it's done, you'll see that that was a really easy way to change all of these colors from pink to blue, and there are many different options here, and there's even options within the option. So if you click on it again, you're going to have options where you can adjust the saturation, etc. So if that's not something that you're looking for, if you can't figure out this color thing here, it's not working for you, then I suggest you head over to Adjust, and this is where you can adjust the brightness and the contrast and the saturation, and you can actually make it many different colors by doing that. So you can just play around with this until you get the color that you're looking for. And this is actually just, I find this the easiest way to get the tones that I'm looking for. So I'm going to say let's stick with the white on this brownish gray color. That looks really good. And then you're just going to do the exact same thing with this pattern down here. So what if you have decided that you've used your own icon from Canva? You found a flower in the icon set and you were happy with that, and now you've decided to use this as your submark in your Piper Rose logo. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to take this as your model and just bring this into the canvas. Let's say this is the one that you chose. Size it down so that it matches this one perfectly. And then you're going to go ahead and copy, where you can right click and copy, or Command C on your keyboard, and then paste. And once you've copied it once, you can just keep pasting it. And Canva's really great because it gives you these guides. So I'm seeing that this is exactly in line with the one before it. And I'm just going to hit Command V on my keyboard over and over again, which will give me this flower over and over again. And you just place them over the flowers that are there. And you do this with the entire design. Okay, and once you have put your flowers over, it's going to look like a big old mess, but you're going to take this entire box behind it and hit delete, and then when you do that, you're going to have this beautiful new pattern, and all you did was follow the model underneath it. And now this pattern is ready to go with your own icon to use. So this is how you would use this as a blueprint almost to create your own pattern. So whatever you've chosen your icon to be, it is that simple. When you are ready to export this, you can, or save this, sorry, download it, you can actually choose to either download it as a transparent background, in which case you would unlock the background and delete it. And it looks like there's nothing here, but there's definitely something here. So when you go to download and you select PNG, that will save this as a transparent background. So when you apply it, when you give it to your designer, or you want to apply it on a different color, whatever your needs may be, it will be transparent, so it will just adopt whatever colors behind it. If that's not what you want to do, and you want to use this color background, then you just download, same thing, PNG, download. And instead of hitting transparent background, you just download that. And that is as simple as the pattern gets, folks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to check out all the other Piper Rose tutorials at 4thstreetcreative.com/tutorials. And happy designing!